Concrete, and I am working on my grout training program. The question was, why is this program important? And I think it is very important just to give me the lead on doing mixes by myself. And as I experienced today, also gives me experience with messing up and recovery. So I missed my 28-day break date. Today I looked at it and it should have been done 2 days ago. So I was pretty bummed about that. I had done 5 mixes that are now garbage. And you know, more training in my book. So it's, I guess, you know, not about the failure, but the recovery. And a little frustrating, but it'll be good practice to break them anyways, and then I can cross-reference the data later. So yeah, all good, you know, live and learn and move forward.
One, if you don't mind, I have
Sure.
one question. How do you feel that this correlates to what we do every day with our clients? As in, if we F up a mix.
Yeah, you know, and we throw it out and you just, you know, you just accept it. You reweigh it up, redo it, and do it correctly. I mean, it happens. I think the important part too is learning to just double check. You know, I thought about it earlier in the week. I should have made sure it was on my schedule, especially with this training as it's my baby. I should have put it on, you know, an alarm on my calendar as well, just to again double check and make sure, you know, that I'm making good use of the time. But I think, you know, in real life, if it happens, which it does every once in a while, you know, we find something that goes astray and you just accept it and redo it correctly. So yeah, so I'm working on my next round of mixes and I'm gonna get the break dates right.
Woohoo!
Bye, thanks for watching. Go Concrete, beat
Beat
asphalt.